What are those two most powerful techniques which teachers can use to engage their students? Number one is brainstorming. Now, brainstorming, for example, suppose you are teaching time management. ना उसमें भी आपको क्या करना है कि प्री सेशन मतलब प्री लेक्चर या प्री क्लास ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग कराइए स्टूडेंट्स से कि भाई व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स यू थिंक आर इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर टाइम मैनेजमेंट एंड सो ऑन. They will write some points. After you're finished with your session and your lecture, then again do a brainstorming and ask them that what all things we have read or learned today after the session today. So this will help you to know how much students learned in your session, how much they were attentive, and number three, this will also help them know that how much they have memorized in the given lecture. So brainstorming is one. Number two is 1 minute paper technique. Now what is 1 minute paper technique? After you're through with your lecture or session, ask two questions from your students. Okay? So सबसे पहले ask them what are the things which you really liked in the lecture, and number two, ask them what was the muddiest point in the lecture. Means कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ थी जो आपको समझ में नहीं आई पूरे लेक्चर या सेशन के दौरान. So you will see that students will come up with their inhibitions once they write what they didn't understand, and that too should be anonymous. It should not have their names written on it. So that is the catch here. Do not tell them to write their names and then start writing what was the thing which they liked and what they disliked or what they didn't understand. Okay? So remember these two powerful techniques. Number one, engagement के लिए is brainstorming. It can be done in variety of ways. The method which I like personally is pre and post brainstorming. And number two is 1 minute paper technique.